We are back again on Mom and 10 Adventures. And my mom and dad are working. We are clearing this out. You heard it all here, folks. She said it was stuck on the roof. This is how far it goes down.
See? Look. And it's out. It's stuck.
Ooh, dang.
It's making that noise because you're just welded. The little arrow things are just welded to the pole. So they're easy to break off. And if you go back and forth with it, it breaks it loose from the ground.
On you. Dude! Well, I think that's easier than you.
Well, he has more muscles than me, Jeremiah. Hey, you only got one extra than I do. I've got 3 out. And there's 4.
I got 5.
Oh! He has 5! The winner! The winner! Hey, Papa. Hello. Hello. You know what you're doing.
Hey, Jeff. See?
Hello. Whoa!
Yeah, I can
I didn't expect that at all.
You just need one piece.
Do
On top. Around there.
it.
Hey, Jeff, I can do your finger. Twist it.
This is the life on the farm with her, a beautiful goat, and him, and her, adorable, and him, Lucky, and him, and him, and her.
One piece of water.
I'm gonna go in there and see what you guys are talking and see what I'm talking about. Okay. You can see him, and look how big the thing is. You have plenty of room. That's the water thing. The 2 other food things. And
This is little boy Sassy, the big fat girl, big one. She is 3/4 Nubian and a 1/4 Boer. And then he is a 4th, half, hang on, a 1/4 Nubian, a 1/4 Boer, and Kiko.
yeah, that there is a hay container.
That needs to be turned around.
Okay. Wait a minute. we go. What you doing? Hello, Sassy. My favorite girl of them all. My favorite girl of them all. Right here. The house. Is your house? It's kind of like Spike's house. Our Billy Goat. Okay. Bye, Sassy. See you later, girl. See you later. Adorable. Hey. You there. Hi, Nana. Whoa. If you guys didn't see that, he reared up and tried to charge at me. And tried to scare me off. Me. I'm coming. And this is Lucky. Our the goat that was born first. Come back here. Oh, mushroom. Hey. Daisy. What do you mean, baby?
Yeah. That's where it needs to go.
Hey, Papa. And this is Spike. Our beauty goat. Say hello, Spike. He's evil. Whoa! If you guys didn't see that, he just like almost tried to stab me. And there's Spike again. Our lovely bunch. You know, if you see a goat like this, don't ever trust him. He always has something to be made of. Ah! You know. Yum, yum, yum. Extra dream pack. They also tear trampolines. It's a bit weird. Okay, go there. That's a view. Awesome. Hello. Are you worn out already? Say to the camera, you're worn out already. Hello. Hello, Daisy. Oh. Love you each other. What brothers supposed to do? This is what brothers are supposed to do anyways. So yeah. This is what it is like in the country. We have it. Hi, Luke. Look. This is what we built for a trash can. It's all the wood. Anyway, what's this? So long.
Your mom.
It is my fort. I'm gonna be going over there right now to show you guys it. So how creative I am and stuff. So yeah, we're going right there now. Uh-oh. I didn't like the sound of that. That means someone probably filled in my thing. Shit. Is it filled in? No. There's a big hole. Big hole. That. This is another thing that I make. It's a tent. A cardboard. A fireplace. My junk thing. Oh, the whole fireplace again. And my trap. This is for, I don't know, oh yeah, bones, for lobsters, or AKA isocardias. My gate, my fort, and my trap. So now we're gonna see what my mom and Jeff are doing. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Look at that. B. B, it's a B. It's a B. B, what B is circling me. B, bumblebee, it's circling me. And it is stingy a lot. So stingy. Hey! Yeah! Whoa. How are you mad?
Watch out, son. He's hateful. Stop. Get away from him.
I am. I'm trying to get a recording of him. Over here. See, as you can tell, there's stuff right here. That's what the good for the fun. I go far over here. Park this. Then right there, one little leaf piece. And here he is again.
Watch out.
Hyper.
We're fixing to use one of these teeth.
Now we're going to get a driver, and I know where it is. I'll go get it. This is what we call a driver. It ain't really a person that drives. Yep, T-post driver. Ew. Oh, a ladybug on me. It's gross. Ew. Yeah, that's disgusting. You're gross, Jeff. Gross. But yeah. So, all headphone users, I suggest you guys probably turn it to your volume down. Okay, so it's blaring loud. This is how they blow their horns by scratching them on this tree, the pecan tree.
Jeremiah, this is like a good video, okay?
See, okay. Now Jeff is going to have a tip of grabbing him.
You want to grab the chain and move him over?
Well, I guess I gotta get a quick video thing. Oh!
Go around the tree.
He is loose now.
Put him on this chain.
Yeah!
There you go.
You were dead, Jeff. You were dead. Oh, hello.
Alright, Jeremiah, I don't know how far that chain goes out.
I know it. See, this is his area. You can tell this is his circle that he made. This mom's already here. And this is what he used to be on. Oh yeah, and this over here is his area. This is his house. And this right here is a goat and his natural habitat. Mama! That was me. Yeah, I'm really good at that. How close are you? You see the goat in his natural habitat. I like it. I love it. As you can tell, this is a male goat. Because it has goatee, and it has a big horn, and it has a blue color. But he'll love this area that he is in. This beautiful big grass. And now you get to see his horns and his face. That's his horns and his natural habitat. Oh yeah, by the way, the building is here. I don't know what it's for. Mama, he is so natural now. He doesn't even go charging at me.
Because he wants that food.
Yeah. It's nice to go near him.
And he's got hay, but that's not his, it's not grass.
A videotape him again. Wait, I forgot to show you guys. This right here is a pecan tree that has not grown yet to be massive because she's basically stopping it. And this right here, we're not cleaning his area up because he destroyed the trailer. This is Uncle Jeff in his natural habitat. Ew!
We're going to put one right there.
And oh my goodness, look at that big hole. That hole is like big as my hand. That is massive. For habitat. I'm not recording, Mom. I didn't say anything.
That's why I said light.
Oh, wait, what? Oh. This is how we do this. We do that. And the person over here on this end says what the number is. How long the thing is. And this is the mailbox in our road. So right now we are gonna be. I'll see you guys here in a minute. Where are they?
They're just laying around.
Okay, so basically it's an Easter egg hunt. Where are you, stakey wakey waggies? Well, whoever's supposed to stake first win dollar. That's how much I got in my wallet. Basically. Oh wait, never mind. I spot one, I think. I got it. Oh wait, we're not looking for those things. These sites. Oh my goodness. This is great Easter egg hunt. Oh crap. Oh, the snake bee! Oh, wait, found them. Oh, I'm worn out. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'll meet you later. Oh, okay, we're back. Mom! Yeah.
I didn't say a T-post.
Put that T-post back.
Oh! Well, be more clear, because I thought this was a snake. Okay. By the way, it is not me. That's one of these. I didn't know what it's called. Oh, that's what he meant. Are you happy now? Well, actually, I think I might get a new one. This one's kind of bent on the end. I might get one of these because this one's bent. You don't? Sorry. Hey, Martha, I didn't know what you guys meant. Okay. That chicken is shaking something. It's funny. Oh. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oh. So, look how tall the grass is. Now let's go see what my mom's doing. Do the chicken out. Her back. Look at the chicken. Chicken got out. Hello, chicken. It's totally find out the chicken's out because they hop up there and get back in. Now let's go see where my mom is. Now where is my mom? Mom? Huh. We'll come back where I find them.